Hi, friends! Today we are going to draw and color a juicy pear with a slice. So let's get started.
Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
First, I draw the pear slice on the side. Then, I draw the big body of the pear and add a seed inside the slice. Next, I add a stem and a leaf on the top. Now it's time to color. First, I use yellow for the whole body of the pear. Pear is a super sweet, juicy power fruit packed with vitamins and fiber to keep you strong, fresh, and healthy. Then, I use black for the seed. Next, I color the inside of the slice with gray. Finally, I use green for the stem and the leaf. And our delicious pear is ready. If you enjoyed this drawing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tiny Hands Art for more fun and colorful drawings. See you in the next video. Bye.